Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia XA1 Ultra, and today I will show you how to check your IMEI. So we'll need to go into settings. From settings, scroll all the way down into system, and once more all the way down into about phone, and from here you will see status. Click on that, and from here you have IMEI information, and IMEI is really good to check the phone status in a way, sometimes on the internet, if the phone, let's say, might be stolen or not, or if it's locked in some way. And you also have access to serial number here if you want to know. So yeah, basically that's how you find this information. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.